Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our ADB Concepts series, in this video we'll see how to rotate Android device screen using ADB commands and in quick and easy way. Okay, we have a command called ADB cell settings put system user underscore rotate, and we have to provide these values. Okay, by using this command we can able to rotate the Android device screen. Okay, before explaining these commands, so first of all we see what exactly these commands command all about. It is the ADB cell setting put system. Okay, user rotation. So what exactly this particular command? Okay, see, to to change the setting values. So we had to use the command called ADB space cell space settings space put namespace key value. This is the main command we are going to use it. So we have to understand this one. So once you understand this command, it's easy to understand the command which we are using to rotate the device screen. Okay. So here the ADB space cell is the command here, and we are changing the settings. Okay. In our case, we are using the simulator here. So we are changing the settings here. So we have to use the key called settings and put. So what exactly put here? See, when you are to want to change the value of the settings, we have to use the keyword called put. Suppose you want to check the settings value, we have to use the keyword called get. So remember that. If you use put, you are changing the settings value. If you use the keyword called get, you are checking the setting value. Okay, and namespace. Next is the namespace. What is the namespace here? So we have three values for the namespace. That is the system, global, secure. So in our case, we are changing the rotation. So we had to use the keyword called system. So the namespace we had to use system and the key. Okay, the key you want to change. So here in our case we are using user underscore rotation and the value. So for particular key we had to use the value here. So now you got to understand that what exactly the this particular command how it works. That is the ADB cell settings. What is that? We are changing the simulator settings here. Settings. Put means we are changing here. Put means change. Namespace. That is the we had to use the three values. That is the system, global, secure. In our case, we are using system here because I'm changing the rotation, device rotation of my simulator. So I had to use system here. Okay, and the key and the value. Okay, so this is the general explanation about the how we can able to change the setting value. So coming back to our main topic, to change the to rotate the Android device screen. So first of all, we will see to disable the auto rotation feature. Okay, so we can able to disable the auto rotation feature. Okay, that is we had to use this command called ADB cell settings put system, and we had to use this particular key, and this is the value here. Okay, now I have a emulator here. I have a simulator here. So now I have to demonstrate I am using one app. So I open the settings app here. So now it is in normal position. Okay, normal position in portrait mode we have. Okay. Now the first command I have used to disable the auto rotate feature. So by using this command, we can able to disable the auto rotate feature. So I'll open the command prompt here and I type ADB cell. This is the command, and now I'm changing the system. Okay, that is the settings. Settings, I'm changing the settings here. So settings, okay, and I want to change, right? So I had to use keyword called put. So I had previous I told, if you use put keyword means you are changing here. If you are use get means you are checking the value. So put, and I'm changing the system means this is the simulator here. So I had used system, okay, and I am disabling the auto rotate feature. That is the key. I had used the accelerometer underscore rotation and the value is 0. Okay, so accelerometer underscore rotation 0. I have to keep. Because that is a ADB cell settings put system accelerometer underscore rotation underscore 0. So by using this command, I am disabling the auto rotation feature. So just click on enter. Okay, now it is my auto rotation feature is disabled. Okay, this is the use of this command. Now I want the change the rotation. Okay, the first one is the C. I want to change the Android screen device, okay, to right landscape. Means from this one I had to change the screen rotation to the landscape. So I had to use this command here. So ADB, so this is a command settings because I'm changing the settings here, and put because I'm changing here. So put system. Okay, this is the simulator system, and the key is user underscore rotation. Okay, this is the key and the value. See, if I use 1 means the Android device screen will rotate to 90 degrees. So give value as 1. Okay, just click on enter and observe the simulator here. See, my Android device screen rotated to the landscape, right landscape. Okay, and now I want to make it to normal position. Okay, so that I can demonstrate all these rotations here: 90 degrees, 80, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. Okay, now I want to come back normal position. So what I had to use, instead of 1, I have used 0. 0 means normal position and portrait mode. Just click on enter. So now it is in normal position. Okay. In the first case, we have seen 90 degrees side. Now I want to make it to 180 degrees. That is a upside down. That is a portrait reversed. Okay. That is a portrait reversed. Okay. Now I have the same command. So we'll come back to that. Okay. ADB cell settings put system user underscore rotation. So I had to rotate to 180 degrees. I had to use 2 here. 2 means 180 degrees here. Upside down, portrait reversed. Just click on enter. See, my Android screen device it changed to 180 degrees. So once again, I want to make it to normal here. So I had to use the user rotation with the value 0. 0 means normal position, that is a portrait mode. Okay, we have seen the 90, 180 degrees and 270 degrees. Now we have to go for 270 degrees means we are making to the left landscape mode. Okay, just I have to give the value as 3. Key will be same, user underscore rotation, and the value is 3. Just see, now it rotate to the landscape, left landscape mode. Okay, this is how we can able to change the Android device screen as per our requirement here. Okay. Now once again I want to go back to the normal position. So just give the value as 0. Okay. 0 means normal position. See, remember that one. 1 means 90 degrees, 2 means 180 degrees, 3 means 270 degrees, and 0 means normal position. So we have 4 values here. Okay. And here you can see So to get the landscape mode, that is a 90 degrees and 270 degrees. So this is a right landscape mode. We had used a value called 90 to 90 degrees, or 1 for 90 degrees. And for left landscape mode, we had used 3, that is a 270 degrees. So to rotate the portrait mode, we had used 0, is a normal position, and 180 means upside down, that is a portrait reverse mode. Okay, this is how we can able to change the Android screen device. Okay, so I have explained about that what exactly this command, that is a ADB cell setting put system. So what this exactly this command? Okay, so you have to understand this one. If you understand this one, it is easy to remember also. Okay, so we are use ADB cell. This is a command. Settings, we are changing the simulated settings here. So we have to use settings. Put means change. Get means check. So this is the importance of this put here. Put and name space. So name space, you can provide this values. That is 3 values: system, global, secure. So in this case, I am changing the simulator value here. So I am using system here and the key. Okay. So they have different type of keys. So in our case, we are using user underscore rotation and the value, corresponding value for a particular key. So here our key is user underscore rotation. This is our key here. And one is the value of this corresponding key. So you understand, right? ADB cell is a command. Setting is the settings of the simulator. Put means change. System means the simulator. Okay. And the key is user underscore rotation. This is the key and this is the corresponding value. So one means 90 degrees. That is a landscape mode. That is a right landscape mode. 2 means 180 degrees. That is a upside down. Okay. 3 means 270 degrees. That is a left landscape. 0 means we are bringing to our Android device screen to normal position. That is a portrait mode. Okay. So we are seeing this one, how we can able to save this one. Okay. Now once again I've done it. Okay. Last one more time. So now I make it to 1, that is a 90 degrees. The screen rotate 90 degrees. So I want to come to normal position 0. I have to use the value called 0, normal position. So once again upside down means that is a 2. That is a upside down. So once again normal position, I had to use the value called 0. Okay. Now I want to rotate to the left landscape. So 270 degrees. So I had to use 3 here. See, simple. We can rotate the Android device screen as per our requirement here. So remember here, you can rotate to the only the 4 degrees, 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 270 degrees. Apart from this one, it is not possible to rotate to as per our requirement. Okay. So these 4 values we can able to rotate. By using these 4 values, we can able to rotate the Android device screen. Okay. So if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.